Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming basics. Insert the SD card into a known good adapter and connect it to your Mac. If it mounts, do not write to it. You risk overwriting recoverable data. Once done, open Disk Utility and select the card to inspect its reported size and partition map. This tells you whether the file system is corrupt or the card's controller is failing. Make sure to take quick photos of errors and note the exact error text for later steps. You'll attempt automated repairs next. Start First Aid in Disk Utility. It fixes partition maps and common metadata issues. Run it twice if it reports changes. If that fails, open Terminal and run distkutal list to identify the disk identifier, then run distkutal verify disk or distkutal repair disk /dev/disk n to target the device. For XFAT or FAT32 file systems, use sudo fs. If repairs restore access, copy all data off immediately to another drive. That preserves anything salvageable. If repair fails, run a data recovery app, prefer read-only mode, to attempt file extraction before reformatting. Once you have data secured or accepted loss, reformat the card in Disk Utility with the appropriate scheme, GUID for large cards, MBR for compatibility, and file system, XFAT for cross-platform. If the card still misbehaves, try another adapter and if issues persist, replace the card. Cheap flash often fails. One tip: if errors continue, test on another Mac to rule out host issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.